A family is this evening counting their blessings after narrowly escaping death in an early morning fire that destroyed their home in Lionel Town, Clarendon. But while they are grateful to be alive, they are also raising serious concerns about the response when they called for help. It's a scene of devastation. Fire trucks parked outside, smoke still rising into the morning air. All that remains of what was once a home are charred walls standing hollow. For one family, this is all that's left. But just hours earlier, it was a race against time. Shanana Barnes says her day had just begun, preparing for the market when everything changed.
Me in a bathroom a bed. Me little girl. Me ask him what time. He say 9 minutes after 4. So me say, Akila go for your rake, line up your rake and a bag. Before we go out the road, me rake and go market. Go buy me goods to go sell. Akila come out the door and come and run back. Mummy, fire! Fire at the Boop's house.
Miss Barnes says she immediately rushed outside.
So me run out the bathroom, me run out the bathroom, me slide and drop. And me get up back, run out, naked as the day me born. And grab for jump, see jump twist up there so there. Grab for jump right there so start bail out the water.
She called for help, but what she says happened next has left her angry.
Call 119, see there. 119 hang up on me. 119 we're supposed to. Where them a collect taxpayer money for that me want know. 119 supposed to be an emergency number. See it here. Me call 119. See it there. See if you show us me not tell no lie. Me call 119. See it there.
With no immediate response, she turned to the Lionel Town police, begging them to get help to the scene. Inside the burning house, her two nephews were still asleep, unaware of the danger.
My two nephews they in there asleep. Then could I dead in our house. And my auntie me send go call him.
So they never know what was?
Never know them deep in a sleep. Deep in a sleep.
5 people lived there, but now nothing remains. Only concrete walls scorched black, the roof completely gone, belongings reduced to ash and twisted debris.